Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this box. Unbox. So yeah.
Okay, not pick up your hands because that can be sharp.
Is it sharp?
Yes.
Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, what is that? You boop into hand warmers. Oh, hand warmers.
I hope they work. You never
Oh,
know.
thank you
You
so
have to
much,
try them. It needs
darling.
charging for at least 4 hours. It said on the thingy,
Really?
the Amazon site.
Oh, so I need to cut this. Should I cut it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's check it. Oh, this is what I needed.
22 pounds. Should be two in there.
It looks like mouse. Keyboard mouse. Look at that, guys. It's pink. Pink. So let's
Metal, so that'll probably be cold. Not
wow.
on.
It looks like a mouse, a keyboard mouse.
Is there an on-off switch on it?
No.
Should be.
Yeah. This. Oh. So I click that and then it says 75%.
So it must be partially charged.
Yeah, and that's also, it's 75%. It's still cold.
Probably takes a couple of minutes to warm.
Oh, so there is
Should be a lead to charge,
the
but it's
charge.
USB.
Oh.
It's not a mains plug.
So, wow. Ay, ano,
You need charging every day for at least 4 hours.
4 hours to charge.
Yeah, every day, both of them. And I think it only lasts for about an hour maximum. The charge.
So one in each hand.
Yeah.
For each hand. So guys, this is a hand warmer.
Make sure you have enough room in your pockets.
Yes.
Your hand
So
in the
it
pocket.
says hand warmer. So this is very useful, guys, if
If
going
the
out.
weather is freezing.
Yeah.
I'm
to
shaking.
keep hands.
The camera is shaking as well. It's only
We are-
6 degrees
We
in the
are
house.
cold, guys. We are cold.
6
See, you can
degrees
see
centigrade.
you can see the what do you call this? It's not warming yet.
I hope they work.
It says 75. Oh, it's on. I think it's warming here.
Okay.
So this is nice because you know, guys, I got chilblains, so this
Your
is
fingers.
very useful to keep my fingers warm because I got the chilblains. Look at that, guys. It's thing. Sometimes it's bleeding.
So cracking up from the cold.
Yeah, from the cold. Because the cold makes your skin
Crack.
dry. So when it's dry, then it cracks, the skin crack. So this is, oh, it's warming up.
Good.
So this is very good. I can use this.
And that's why I bought it for you.
Wow, thank you so much. So I didn't think that there's such thing as this.
They have the other ones as well, disposable ones, but they don't normally work properly.
Yeah.
You like click and then some sort of a gel that gets warm. You throw it away.
It's
And there are
warming.
the ones that you click as well, and you're supposed to. We had them before. You're supposed to put them in boiling water to recharge them or something, but
Yeah.
that didn't really work.
Yeah, that's right. I think we got that as well when we are working in the cinema. They got it.
Yeah.
They give it for free.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice. It's
This
warming
is
up.
electronic.
If only you can
Battery
touch
in there.
it, guys. It's warming. It's nice and warm. Because in London now, it's the temperature drop
It's below zero.
below zero.
So it's only 6 degrees centigrade in the house
6 degrees in the house. Oh
because
my
we can't
gosh.
afford to put the central heating on.
Yeah,
Not too
and
expensive. Prices have gone up so much.
your hand shaking.
Yeah.
You're cold,
I
darling.
am.
Oh, so this is nice, guys. So, um, I will see, guys, if if it works so well, and then I will let you know so you can buy it as well, darling. You can buy it as well, guys. I said, darling. So, oh, so this is very nice. That's cute, and I love the color.
Yeah.
It's a very nice color. So, and this is for charging.
Yeah. USB leads.
So, charging to keep it warm.
Charging the battery in it.
Oh, the battery.
Yeah. A built-in battery.
So when I press it here, it's the battery that provides the.
Yeah. So it needs charging for at least 4 hours
Yeah.
to fully charge, and it only lasts about an hour, maybe less. Battery.
Yeah, I only need it maybe 20 minutes the most. Yeah, in my traveling. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this unboxing because I really like it.
Something useful.
This is so
Useful
so
when the
very
weather is
useful.
freezing.
Yeah, because I've been thinking of about something like this, but I didn't think that they make such thing as this, which is very good. Whoever invented this is very clever.
Yes.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.